So you probably recognize these shoes from the I'm obsessed with footwear TED talk in my previous videos. But I have been searching for the perfect pair of boots for so long, and I got them last year from Myntra for around 2k, which is a little pricey, but they are so worth it. They are perfect as they have a matte look and not those regular reflective patent leather ones. So they go with like every outfit, and they are really comfortable. I can literally do a hurdle race in them. Like, I cannot run a hurdle race, but if I could, these are the boots I could do it in. These are my second pair of sneakers. A few years back, I saw someone wearing pink corduroy ankle boots, and since then, I have been kind of obsessed with finding corduroy shoes in that particular dirty pink color that is really effing hard to find. So I finally found these at a lifestyle in the 1500 range, and I really like them. It has this nice pink and corduroy stripes combination. They are comfortable, they are perfect for a day out, and great to hype up an outfit that was almost too boring to be worn. Okay, so 2 years ago, I went through a phase where I suddenly became obsessed with running shoes, and I bought like 4 or 5 pairs that year. I don't know, I started participating in sports even though I'm not that much of a sports person. And I started to take part in every sports event that I could and try to take the morning sports coaching, emphasis on the tried. And even though I did not win even a single one of the events, it's the effort that counts, right? At least that's what I told myself. And this sudden sports freak mentality, maybe because of my deteriorating mental state at that time, but at least I did something for my body. So that's a win. So currently I have like a new mild obsession with loafers. So there's a weird reason why I like them, and I'm not ready to show my weird side to you all just yet, at least to the people who don't know me. So skipping that part. Okay, so I also like them for a non-weird reason, that is these buckle hardware on it, and it also looks good for tiptoeing to the kitchen and eating unhealthy food, then going back to my room to watch movies in the middle of the night, which will most probably ruin my sleep schedule. I just said sleep. Oh my god. Sleep schedule and my life. That was too much information about my current life crisis and my inability to speak. At least I have pretty shoes with cute flower detailing on the top. That got real weird, real fast. Okay, next on we have these oyster grey platform sandals. Oyster grey, यही होता है, ठीक है? गूगल किया था मैंने कलर का नाम. I really like them because they are not like typical uncomfortable heels but give you a height boost overall, which certainly I need. And they are so comfy, they kind of envelop your feet into this plush cushion sole. Best for when you need to wear heels but also want to walk all day without killing your feet. Next we have these. Actually, I don't know what are these. They kind of give me a Disney princess kind of vibe. I don't know why. They are a mix of wedges and flats. No. Fledges. Why does fledges sound so gross? But they are not gross, they're cute. The cutout detailing on the toe area. They kind of look like something a hobo Cinderella would wear. Okay, weird. Next we have these. These are the first pair of heels I ever bought in my life, and like respect to them, they taught me how to walk in heels, but I actually bought them for a dance. मतलब चलना नहीं आता, डांस करेगी लड़की, मतलब कॉन्फिडेंस देख लो लड़की का. So they are really basic black heels, and they have a simple design, so they go with every outfit. And I like the gold hardware buttons on it and these strappy sandals. I like strappy sandals. So yeah, those were the first pair of heels I bought, but these are the first pair of heels I wore, like in 5th class, because I stole them from my mother's wardrobe. और क्योंकि मतलब मैंने ऐसे देखे कि भाई साहब ये तो बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हैं, मैं पहन लूँगी तो बहुत ही सेक्सी लगेगी तुम्हारी बहन, बट नो नो नो. And shout out to them for breaking my ankles on the very first try. So yeah, these are like first heels part 2. Now these wedges I have had for like 3 years. I like this detailing. It gives me kind of a halter top type of vibe, and the golden straps and stripe on the bottom of the heels add a touch of glitter to every party outfit. P.S. When I say I have had them, I mean my mother has had them for 3 years. Now these are like my absolute favorite pair of sandals. Like, look at them. They're so perfect. Like, it has everything one could ever want. Like, block heels, the perfect combination between comfortable and classy. Check. Ash pink color, which is so pretty, I'll take a bullet for it. Check. But like, who will shoot a pair of sandals? I don't know. I'm saying I will die for them. Now, strappy straps. Check. Did I just say strappy straps? Yes, I'm so cool. Fabric textured heels. Check. Like, what more could you want? So, okay, I'm not overreacting at all. They are like the most fashionable pair of footwear I have ever seen, aside from the personal prejudice, and aside from being a combination of my childhood nostalgia, they also have square toes and leather lace up. So like they're the latest fashion trends, following the latest fashion trends of 2020. like यही होता है फैशन ट्रेंड. मैंने गूगल किया था, ठीक है. मैं लिटरली 2 दिन पहले मिंत्रा पे स्क्रॉल कर रही थी एंड आई फाउंड दीज एट H&M फॉर लाइक 3500 एंड आई वाज लाइक जायदाद बेच दूंगी मैं, मेरे को बस ये चप्पल चाहिए.